Hi everyone, it's Suneet here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check very quickly about if your country is allowed to sell on Amazon USA. You want to make sure that you're on this approved list to sell because Amazon can give you a hard time if you're not from one of these countries over here. So the link to this article is going to be in the description below. It is my own website, and you're going to see a whole list of countries. The countries that you might find missing are usually some of the islands or some African countries that you might see that are not available down here. But overall, it does cover about 100 countries, and this only applies to Amazon USA. I will be taking out an article and a video for Amazon Germany, Amazon UK, and other videos. But for now, this only covers Amazon US. Um, if you have any questions about signing up for your account, please feel free to leave a comment below so I can try to help you out and get you started. Thank you.